Hey everyone, it's Chad, and I really messed up this time. I ordered this powder coating powder from Prismatic. It was over $30 with shipping, and I screwed it up. I left it in my truck for probably 3 or 4 days, and it's the middle of July. It has been over 100 degrees inside that truck for many days, and I know that you're not supposed to let this get over 100 degrees. Well, when I pulled it out of my truck, it was one solid block. I thought, I got the solution, a bigger hammer. So I pulverized it the best I could, and it's kind of pliable and powder-like, but I can still feel all kinds of little clumps in there. So my first thought was, let's get one of those flour sifters and see if I can, reconstitute it and get all the clumps out. Well, I got to the store, the only one I could find locally, and it didn't work. I squeezed it a couple times and it just stuck and it wouldn't come unstuck. So I tried to come up with another idea. So let's see what I can do to make this usable. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm going to be placing another order tonight. So let's see what happens. See all these clumps in here? That's not going to go through a powder coating gun. If this can beat this into little beads into like an espresso-like powder, then maybe it can reconstitute my powder coating powder. Let's give it a shot. Look at those little clumps in there. Totally makes sense. Let's see what we can do. It's all nice and pulverized. I think this is going to work. Well, I'm not going to just settle for the fact that it looks okay. I'm going to get out a test cup and we're going to give it a run.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
All right, well, first thing I did was run a test cup on an old Arctic that we had laying around that we had previously powder coated, stripped, and just kind of put into a box that we do our tests on, and I think it turned out fantastic. And the reason I did that is the customer wanted their logo on Yetis, and if you're not familiar, this is a $30 cup and this is $35, $40. So I didn't want to risk messing these up, and I have to say I'm very impressed with how they turned out. I hope that the customer is happy. They look great, and I'm glad this little test on how to repair the powder turned out. And if you ever come across this situation where your powder's been out in the sun too long, maybe after it was shipped, maybe you left it in your truck like me, now you have possibly a way to save that powder. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna